In maritime operations, deck cranes are critical for cargo handling. Routine inspections and annual surveys ensure safety, reliability, and compliance. Our team conducted detailed pressure tests under no-load conditions, verifying hoist, luffing, and slewing performance. Each crane was tested across all operational limits, with results confirmed within manufacturer tolerances. Rocking tests and operational limit verifications ensured structural and mechanical stability. Slewing and luffing bearings, differential limits, and wire slack parameters were all within safe ranges. Critical components including gearboxes, wire ropes, hook bearings, and hydraulic systems were inspected. Grease renewals and minor adjustments were carried out to maintain peak performance. The crane cabins, electrical systems, and motors were evaluated for operational efficiency. All instruments, circuits, and controls were found in optimal condition. As part of the annual survey, all findings were documented and verified. Each crane successfully met survey requirements, ensuring compliance and readiness for operational duties. With minor maintenance completed, the cranes are fully operational, safe, and survey compliant. At ShipSmith, we ensure every deck crane meets the highest safety and operational standards, delivering reliability every time.